That's cute. I like it. Do you like it?
One more. So sorry.
Do you want to do higher up or good?
I liked it. I liked it. It just I messed up. You ready? Cute. I just lost you.
Mm-hmm. Love. Should we change?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's change. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's do this one.
What a mix. Oh yeah, I like actually the contrast. You should stay in the middle. We have a really good contrast then.
Hold on. I'm gonna do this with you guys.
Are you really Bosnian? 100%? Nice. The European blood shall prevail.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Come on. Simple, simple.
Simple dimple.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna sing along. Should I?
That's cute. I like that. It's technically supposed to be this.
Or should we just do that then? That's cuter.
You like this? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's this then. So it's boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
Okay, but we need to get first so we'll pick. Just like briefly.
You don't want this?
I think it's weird. I don't know.
Well, when it's constantly there, but the first time she liked because it was like very.
Yeah, maybe just like when I first start. So like go, and then you guys move right away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this? Okay.
But you're not supposed to crop it. You're supposed to just keep going.
But we can crop it.
Okay.
I'll just do like the edit thing where it's like doing different person.
allow
you
me
know.
to be funny.
Okay, ready? No,
Go,
you
go.
don't do. Oh,
Wait.
wait, which way are we doing?
We still need to do the fingers though, because hers was slow.
Oh,
Hers was too slow.
okay. Ready?
How about let's go up and down like this. Wait. We should do this because it's a drum set. Yeah.
Should we do this?
Does it really matter what we
I
do?
think
The watch is awkward. Well, it's too late.
Going up or down?
Do you want me to cut it?
No.
Stuck.
If you just do this, it's gonna be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's very fine.
Okay.
A little extra, but I like it. Where did we shoot?
Yes. Oh, I left my phone upstairs. Hold on, let me bring it.
Have you ever watched Sailor Moon? Jen, did you watch Sailor Moon? What was your favorite? Sailor Moon was your favorite?
Yeah.
I like Sailor Venus. Should this one know which one that is?